Managing customer messages across platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook can quickly become overwhelming. What if we could automate responses 24/7 with AI and without writing a single line of code? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to build your first smart chatbot using SendPulse, a powerful no-code platform for automating conversations, boosting sales, and saving time. SendPulse is an all-in-one marketing platform offering tools for email marketing, SMS campaigns, CRM, landing pages, and AI-powered chatbots. It supports platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, Viber, and even integrates directly with your website, giving you complete control over customer communication. Today, I'll walk you through setting up a chatbot using one of these platforms, step by step. Use the link below to create your free account in just a few seconds. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see this welcome screen. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and select chatbots and live chats. Next, choose your communication channel. I'll select messaging app bots. Do you have a website? If you do, select yes and enter your website link. If not, move on. How many subscribers does your chatbot have? Pick the option that fits best. Next, what do you plan to use SendPulse for? I'll be using it for business purposes. As for my expertise, it's in IT. After the setup is done, you'll see their plans options. For now, let's go back and select Connect Channel. I'm using Instagram since it's the most common choice for businesses, but you can connect to any other channel you like. Most of the features work the same way. Before connecting your Instagram, you'll need to make a few changes to your Instagram account settings. If your Instagram account is set to personal, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Account Type and Tools. Then select Switch to Professional Account. Once you've done that, the final step is to connect to your Facebook page. Open your Facebook page, go to Settings, scroll down to Link Accounts, and connect your Instagram account from there. Once done, go back to SendPulse and click on Connect via Instagram. Make sure all permissions are toggled on and click Allow. Now you need to add the owner to the chatbot you just created. To test your Instagram chatbot, you'll need to add a second Instagram account, ideally your personal account, as the bot owner. Start by logging into that personal Instagram account. Then either scan the QR code or follow the link to your Instagram business account. Click Message on the business profile, enter the code, and send it as a message. If everything is set up correctly, you'll receive the welcome flow. And in your SendPulse bot audience panel, your personal account will be marked as owner under the chatbot's audience list. Now let's talk about Flow Builder. This is your main tool for designing how your chatbot interacts with users. You can use it to welcome new subscribers, answer questions, sell products, notify your team, and even collect data for future use. SendPulse makes it simple with a visual drag-and-drop interface. Just create your keywords, design the bot's structure, and add elements by dragging them into your flow. To help you get started, there's a detailed table of contents below the builder. Think of it as your map. It helps you explore all the available triggers and elements you can use. By default, SendPulse includes several pre-made flows: welcome message, standard reply, story mention, unsubscribe from bot, quick emoji reactions to stories. You can also create your own custom triggers to unlock more functionality. Welcome message flows. These are triggered when a user sends a direct message to your Instagram business page. That's when they officially become a chatbot subscriber. Next, click on Edit the Flow, then select the message block. Here's where you can type a friendly greeting for your customers. It's a good idea to include a message that lets users know how to stop the chatbot at any time. For example, reply with stop, or unsubscribe to unsubscribe. This is your chance to introduce your bot properly. Explain how it can help, what kind of updates or messages users can expect, how often they'll hear from you, and why they should stick around. Story mention. This one activates when a user mentions your business in their Insta story, but only if their account is public and their story is visible to everyone. It's a powerful way to instantly respond to mentions, strengthen relationships, and encourage engagement. Again, tailor your message based on the mention and your niche. Comment on your post trigger. This one activates when someone comments on one of your Instagram posts. It's a great way to start a conversation based on your content. Just make sure to customize your response to match the context of the post. To set this up for a specific post, click Create a New Trigger and select Comment on your post. Then add the relevant keywords you want the chatbot to respond to. You'll see a throttling option. This helps prevent the automation from triggering repeatedly if a user sends the same comment multiple times in a short period. It keeps things running smoothly and avoids spammy interactions. Comment on your live video trigger. This flow activates when someone comments during your Instagram live stream. It's perfect for answering frequently asked questions in real time, like questions about pricing, availability, or event details. We recommend tailoring your message based on your business niche, so viewers can get relevant and helpful information. Now that we've learned the basics about flows and triggers, let's create a new trigger. You'll be asked to choose a trigger type, which includes options like keywords, a 360 event, comment on your post, or comments on your live video. I want to create a basic communication trigger. Like when a customer DMs me, they get a menu to choose from, so I'll select keywords. Now you can enter relevant keywords that a customer might use, such as hello or how much. These keywords will activate the trigger and start the automation flow. Once your trigger is set, you have the option to choose from SendPulse's extensive library of pre-built flow templates tailored for various use cases. But for this tutorial, let's start from scratch. Click on Create a Flow. This will open a new window where you'll see all the elements you can use to build your chatbot. You also have the option to use AI to generate a flow automatically, but I'll be doing it manually for now. To type your message, use the text box in the top right corner. You can then add buttons for the customer to interact with. These buttons can be used to continue the flow, open a URL, or even accept payments. Let's break down what each block on the left panel does. Message block, used to send text, buttons, or quick replies to users, ideal for greetings, menus, or instructions. Flow block, connects to other flows, helps keep your chatbot organized by breaking it into modular sections. Action block, performs background tasks like setting custom variables, tagging users, or sending webhook calls. Filter block, adds conditional logic. For example, check if the user already went through a flow named Instagram Support Hub. If not, direct them down a different path. Great for avoiding repeated messages. API request block, fetches data from external sources, perfect for checking order status, retrieving user info, or pulling in live data. Supports get, post, and more. You can also map the response for use in the future steps. Pause block, inserts a delay before the next step. Useful for simulating typing or giving users time to respond. Can be configured to continue always or only if the user is inactive. AI step block, uses a built-in AI assistant like GPT Mini. You can set instructions, define goals, and control how long the bot stays in the step while waiting for specific responses. Random block, splits users randomly across different paths, commonly used for A/B testing or balancing user traffic. Repeat block, schedules a flow to run repeatedly, like sending daily reminders. You can set how often and how many times it should repeat per user. And that's it. You've just taken your first steps towards building a powerful automated chatbot with SendPulse. With its intuitive no-code tools, AI-powered features, and multi-platform support, SendPulse makes it easier than ever to stay connected with your audience, respond instantly, and drive your results, all without writing a single line of code. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and start building the small conversations your customers will love. That's it, and thanks for watching.